Today, we're hunting royal sweets in Hue.
First stop, inside the old royal heart.
3 bowls, 3 stories, 1 city.
Wait for the last spoonful. Lotus seeds. Whose quiet treasure?
Fresh seeds smell like rain and leaves.
Chào
bà,
bạn.
dạ, chào chị Hồng.
Dạ, cho em ít hạt sen tươi nhé.
Dạ.
This is patience you can taste.
Not rush, just steady heat.
Hue sweetness starts with removing bitterness.
Just enough sugar, never loud.
Nguyen perfume makes it feel royal.
1 seed, 1 jewel.
Royal sweets, served in a tiny lane. Dạ, cho em một chén chè sen bọc nhãn.
Look how clear the syrup is.
It's like eating a soft pearl. Sweet, but it disappears clean.
Hue teaches you to eat slowly.
Small bowls, big pride.
A whisper of ginger changes everything.
First quest done, 2 bowls left.
Rain makes chè taste warmer.
Translucent dough, like glass.
Pork inside a dessert. It's all in the ceiling.
Watch them turn crystal clear.
Ginger keeps the sweetness sharp.
Sweet first, then smoked pork.
That contrast is pure hue.
Dạ, con cảm ơn. Ngon thiệt.
In hue, rain is part of the recipe.
Đậu ngự, this name already sounds royal.
This is our 3rd bowl's secret.
Hue desserts are never rushed.
Clarity is part of the taste.
soft, but it keeps its shape.
Third bowl, served where locals hide.
Dạ, cho em chè đậu ngự.
Why is it called ngự? They call it ngự because it feels ceremonial.
3 bowls, 3 kinds of royalty. Hue sweetness is a texture story. Let's taste them the Hue way, slow.
But Hue's sweetness doesn't stop there.
Now, royal gifts you can carry.
This smell is pure sesame warmth.
Fold until it shines.
Hugh even cuts candy politely.
This is the sound of souvenirs.
Okay, one bite, then it pulls you back.
Sesame first. Then caramel warmth.
These are the candies Hue kids remember. A royal city always sends you home with sweets. Hue nights feel like slow music.
Three bowls, one lesson. Sweetness can be quiet.
Next, we meet the hands behind Hue's sweetness.
If they open, you'll see why Hue is different.
Dạ, tụi em xin phép vào ạ.
This place smells like ginger and calm. Dạ, con cảm ơn. Tea makes everything taste cleaner.
Mời.
These are Hue's quiet cookies. Hue wraps sweetness like a present.
Tonight is the royal snack set.
Sweet, melt, then ginger glow.
Hue feels like it whispers. New day, bonus bowl, local only.
Bắp nếp đây. Hue corn smells sweet even raw.
Con hen mornings feel like a secret.
Here it is, Hue sweet corn.
This is Hue comfort, no stage.
Bonus bowl unlocked.
Royal or street, Hue stays gentle.
These are the flavors you can carry.
Jewel. Shock. Calm plus comfort.
Just a little sesame hue style. Hue sweetness is light, precise, and calm.
This is my Hue dessert map.
One last hidden stop, if we can find it.
Anh ai chè á lê. Okay.
If this pot is what I think, it's the real local finale.
This is where Hue eats sweets at night.
Có gì? Dạ, cho em xin phép đi ngang ạ. Dạ, cho em xin phép đi ngang ạ.
Purple looks unreal, but it's all sweet potato.
Chewy pearls. Hugh loves texture.
Dạ, cô gợi ý chén nào đúng Huế nhất ạ?
Dạ, cho em theo cô.
Cho em theo cô.
This is the Ali's signature mix.
Look at that swirl. These are for tomorrow's tea.
Hue doesn't shout, Hue lingers.
Tell me, what hue dessert should we hunt next?
3 bowls. 1 royal city.
Bye bye. Cảm ơn cô nhiều lắm ạ. Dạ, con gửi cô.
Cô cảm ơn.
Hugh follows you home. Sesame and tea, perfect. Lotus, ginger.
See you in the next alley. Royal sweetness starts simple. Only Hugh would do this. A souvenir that bites back. Lingers like the last spoon.